Modern society has a secret. It was designed to make you weak. We traded our mental strength for convenience and our sense of purpose for comfort. We live in the easiest era in human history, yet we are more anxious, lost, and miserable than ever before. But here is the stoic truth: the more you avoid struggle, the more fragile you become. You are trapped in a golden cage, and you don't even realize it. Let's talk about the comfort trap and how to break free from it. Here's the paradox: your brain was never designed to be happy in absolute comfort. For thousands of years, our ancestors woke up with a single job: to solve problems in order to survive. Hunt, gather, build, endure. And our dopamine was earned through survival. But today, you get food with a click, dopamine with a swipe on the screen, and escape reality with a video. When your life is too easy, your brain doesn't just relax, it goes haywire. With no real obstacles to overcome, it starts to invent problems. It takes your small insecurities and turns them into dread. Existential, it turns everyday interactions into social anxiety. By removing all resistance from your life, you became an easy target for your own mind. To break this cycle, the Stoics used a concept called amor fati, the love of fate. It means accepting everything that happens to you, the good and especially the difficult, as the necessary fire to test your steel. So how do you fix a broken brain and a hyper-comfortable world? You don't wait for life to throw you into the fire, you step into it on your own. You practice voluntary hardship. The great Stoic philosopher Seneca used to tell his students to spend a few days each month living with the bare minimum, eating simple food, wearing rough clothes, and facing the elements. Why? So that you can look at yourself in the mirror and ask, is this the condition I was afraid of? You don't need to throw away all your belongings to do this. You just need to step in. Introduce resistance into your daily routine. Here are 3 simple ways to start today. First, take cold showers. It's not about the health benefits, it's about looking at the freezing stream of water, feeling the resistance, and stepping in anyway. This trains your mind to ignore hesitation. Second, protect your focus. Leave your phone in another room for 2 hours while you work or read. Let your mind experience boredom. Boredom is where you are reborn. Third, do the hard thing first. Read a complex book that challenges your own intellect. Or lift weights or push your muscles until they burn and become stronger. Growth doesn't happen when you're comfortable. It happens when you deliberately choose the hard path. There's an old saying that goes, don't ask for an easy life. Ask for the strength to endure a difficult life. The next time you feel the urge to take the easy way out, remember that your growth lies on the other side of those things. Remember that your growth lies on the other side of the things you are avoiding. If you're ready to stop choosing the easy path and build a life with real mental strength, type discipline here in the comments below. Let's see who's really watching until the end, and see you in the next video.